Hello everyone, this is another review, a project review. I think I created a playlist for project reviews on the channel, okay, so that if you want to check out some projects that are worthy of your investment, okay, you can check out those reviews, all right. So today, what we're going to review is a project called Baked Beans, okay. What is Baked Beans? Baked Beans is a kind of crypto project that actually created a smart contract that will pay you 8% daily return. All right. That will pay you 2,920% in a year. Okay, APR. And they will charge you developer fee of 3%. What did I say? 3%. Okay. That's how it works. Now I want to dissect this project for you. I want to break it down for you. Then at the end of the video tutorial, you can decide whether you want to put your money into it or you want to stay away from it. But my role and my obligation to you guys is to give you the analysis in white and blue. Then you decide for yourself whichever one they are comfortable with, right? So but before I'm going to proceed, if you're just stumbling on this channel for the first time, maybe through the search engine, or maybe some of your friends share the link with you, all right. So if you just come to the channel for the first time, I want to say you are welcome to the Crypto Niche channel, okay. And if you are returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for being a part of this community, and I appreciate you guys, man. Honestly, honestly. So now I want you guys to, if you're just stumbling on the channel, I want you to do something for me. Subscribe to the channel. We have over 900 subscribers now, very close to 1,000 subscribers, but we hope to have several thousands of subscribers on the channel. There are lots and lots of valuable, content, video content that will actually help you jump start your career in the blockchain and the crypto ecosystem. Okay, so don't forget to share the video link with your friends. Okay, make a comment down below. Let me know what you think about whatever analysis I put out there for you guys. All right, so I'm using a wallet that I have only a fraction, minute, let me say a minute amount of BNB, so I connected the wallet to the platform. All right, now because let me also give you guys one thing. You want to be careful with the kind of wallets that you use on different websites. You want to be careful with that. So in the wallet where you have a bulk of your capital in there, you don't want to connect that wallet to any website whatsoever, not even PancakeSwap. All right. The only thing you want to be using that wallet for is to send and receive. That's all. Okay. Now I've connected to the platform. The platform promises to give you 8%. So imagine that you invested one you invested 100 BNB. It means that you'll be getting 8 BNB every day. All right. So if you're getting 8 BNB every day, what does this mean for you? It means that 8 times 25. All right. In 25 days, you make 200 BNB. All right. But let me tell you one thing about this platform. You're not making 200 BNB in 25 days. You are only making 100 BNB in 25 days because the capital that you added to the platform is gone. It is not retrievable. That's how it works. It is not retrievable. All right. Now, this is Big Bean. This is the new name, and this one the promise will be giving you guys. And let's check out their contracts on Explorer. Let's see what is their contract. Open it in a new tab. This is their contract address. Okay. So right now they have this amount of BNB, which is a true reflection of what the website is showing up here. Okay. So then also they currently have $12.4 million worth of money sitting on this contract. Do you guys understand? Now they have other tokens also in the contract. They have stablecoin, very small amount of stablecoin. They have Matic and they have some other contracts, some other coins right here. All right. So now here is the interesting part. Okay. This is not the first time that you're going to be having this kind of project. So, but because in crypto, if you want to invest in anything in crypto, if someone is telling you that is doing run to earn coin, as long as they're not the first person that is doing it, you have to check the antecedents. You have to check back in history, like which other projects have done something like that before, and how did they end up? All right. So this is their contract over here. If you're not really good with programming, you may not understand. This is the big thing. They use something to write this. That is interesting. Okay. So you want to copy all of these code if you know how to read smart contract correctly and see if there are some backdoors code. There's some backdoors that allows the developer to actually rug pull. So, but that's not the main thing now. Okay, maybe there's some function that allows the developer to rug pull. And just to be honest with you, if you look at these guys, their contract code, has not been certified by anybody. Nobody vetted their contract code. All right, nobody. Okay, so maybe if you know how to read smart contract code, or you know someone who knows how to read smart contract code, then you can do that on your own. Okay, on your own if you want. But here is another thing you have to understand. The referral commission is 12%. That is mouth-watering, 12%. So if you refer someone that put in 100 BNB, you are getting 12 BNB right there. Okay, right there. And that's really awesome. Okay, if you are a greedy type. Now, 8% is ridiculous. To be honest with you, it is ridiculous, highly ridiculous. So I'm going to go to their Telegram group and show you some comparison and tell you the possible time when this thing will fail based on experience. Let's look at the pinned messages in the group. All the pinned messages, let's look at it. When they started, we have to know when they started. Okay, so this is their social media platform. Then the website was out at this point. So April 4, they were out by April 4, by the 1st of April. Sorry, 4th of April. Let's say the website launched by 1st of April. This is the first pinned post by Mr. MJ Bain. Okay, no problem. This is the owner big house. Okay, now they started some months back, not quite long. That is like going to 2 months now, right? Now that is one thing. And today is 25th of April, sorry, of March, right? So it means that they are like how many days now? 1 month and 21 days old, precisely, right? Now, there's also another project, similar project that's what's the name? Okay, BNB Factor. This is BNB Factor. Okay, BNB Factor failed after a while. They did not even promise you guys 8%. They only promise you guys maximum of 4%. You lock your fund for how many days? You lock your fund for 40 days, then you get 4%. Straight up. Do you understand? That's how it works. Now, but these guys are here. They are not telling you if you can withdraw your money back. Okay, you can hit your beans and all that. You can rebake or you can remove the beans. Okay, I think these guys allow you to remove your money if you're not comfortable with the platform any longer. Okay, they allow you to do that. That's awesome. But then 8% is ridiculous. It will definitely crash. But when is the question you want to ask. So this is the BNB Factor. They have a Telegram group. The Telegram group link has been removed from their website, but there's a way out of it. I joined the website some months back, so like BNB Factor. Okay, right? So this is it. This is the BNB Factor. Let's go to the time when BNB Factor started. Let's go to their pinned messages. I'm going to click on this. That will scroll up more and more to know when this guy started stuff. Okay, so they created a group around July 2021, and by August, I think they got their website set up by August. They launched their website on August 17th. August 17th, and by let me scroll down. By November 8th, they started having problems. So you can see stop FUD guys because you can't see 3 accumulated days, they finish with the pool. Who is going to believe it and all that? Okay. So people are already regretting their action. Can you see it? They're already regretting their action, right? So now the thing is that the pool dried off. It dried off completely, and there was no funds to pay the new guys any longer. So automatically it failed. It's what? It failed. So this is where the money is for the developers. Okay. The BNB right now they have let me go to the smart contract again. They have, let me refresh, maybe they have more money there. Okay, it's increasing. You know, in the last few minutes, it increased by over 200,000. Can you see? So let's say I'm going to copy this now. That is, I have a 12 million. Okay, so well, let's use percentage 3%. I'm going to cancel all these 3%. Okay, that's 12. That's 12 million, right? Multiplied by 0.03, which is 3%, equals to what? So when this program eventually crash, this is how much the developer will make from it. That is judging by the 3% commission they are charging on the website. Okay, this is how they make from it. So imagine that BNB Factor started on August, September, October, November. It crashed after 3 months. It crashed completely. And this guy started April 4th. You should be expecting that they will likely crash before BNB Factor because of the returns. It is high and the referral bonus is high. So I'm predicting that this guy will not last beyond 2 months. Okay. So if your funds is there right now, as the time you are watching this video tutorial, this review, then you should make sure that in the next 15 days your money is out. Since they are allowed to remove your funds. If you stay longer, believe me, your money will be gone for forever. It will be gone. So you won't be able to remove anything out of the platform because the pool will be completely drained. That is the truth. So you guys should be careful what you do. If you want to invest in the platform, know exactly what you're doing and have a clear cut exit strategy. Okay. The best time to actually try out this thing was 25 days ago or 30 days ago. If you try it now, you will likely get burned. All right. So that's all I have to tell you guys in this review. So I hope you enjoyed the review so far. And if it's something that you like, give the thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment box. Join the community on Telegram. Okay. And I'm going to see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.